Welcome everyone into my channel. Guys, today we are going to learn about the English word optimum. Optimum means the best, the maximum or the most favorable outcome. This word is pronounced like optimum. Could you please repeat after me? Optimum. One more time. Optimum. Optimum. The sentence examples of this word are also written below. These are: what will be the optimum return on my investment? The optimum performance of an individual is based on his health, competencies, and skills. Last one is that we need your best effort and input to get optimum results. Guys, thank you so much for listening me. You can also make your own sentence examples using this word in the comment section. Meanwhile, I would request you please support me by subscription so that I may bring more beautiful words and videos for you. Please take care of yourself and your family. Bye.